using Avogadro's number. Anytime you're going from moles to particles or particles to moles, yes. Anytime, isn't that what you were asking me about? Okay. Anytime you are going from moles to particles or particles to moles, you're going to use Avogadro's number and the equality statement I've asked you to write for that. Okay? So the equality statement I've asked you to always write for that is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd of anything. Is equal to 1 mole of that thing. Okay? Now, the any part is any kind of particles of a thing. Okay? The any part is any kind of particles of a thing. Alright? So in the prompt I've given you for this question, what are the particles here? How many formula units? No, sodium chloride is the thing. This is the particle. There's no molecules here. Formula units, yes. Okay? So the particles in this case are formula units. Okay? That's what those parts. Now what you have to do is be able to interpret the problem to figure out, well, what are the particles? Okay? What is the any part here? All right, so what is the thing? I got thing on this side, thing on this side. Sodium chloride. The thing part in this case is sodium chloride. So what's the formula for sodium chloride? Make it easy on ourselves. NaCl. So that's our thing. Okay? Now let's rewrite this equality statement to be able to use it to build a conversion unit then. Based on what we now know, that it's 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd of anything equals a mole of that thing. Let's rewrite it to use these things and these particles, okay? You'd rewrite it. How would you say it, Jason? So instead of anything, we're going to say any part is formula units. The thing part is the sodium chloride. And what goes on the other side of the equality statement? 1 mole of NaCl. Well, we covered this in this unit. It could be. I never tell you specifically what's on the test. I tell you what could be on the test. Anything that's been in this unit, huh? No, I don't want you to fail. I want you to know how to solve problems, whatever the problems happen to be.
Well, how am I using this in life, Mr. Kevin?
Huh?
How am I going to use this in life?
Well,
I don't understand.
if you're going in life, you have to be able to do conversions. Huh? A lawyer? Well, you definitely know how to do conversions if you're a lawyer. Yep. Huh? We'll set it up. What are we going? 10.0 what? Okay. Mole. Okay, that's good. Now look, I have one person who's giving me answers, and I'm not sure how many of you are actually paying attention because I hear a lot of talking that isn't paying attention here. Okay? So I'm going to build a conversion unit the same way I built the conversion unit in all those on that previous set of problems. All right? What do I put on the bottom? I want this side of the equality statement because it matches the units and species of the starting amount, and I want to put it on the bottom.
And then top is exposure of 50 times 10%.
Okay. I need to simplify. How do I simplify?
You gotta multiply.
Well, we're not ready to do that yet. We want to simplify.
Cancel out the units. I mean species or whatever you call it.
Species and units. The units are moles. The species is the chemical.
Species?
The species is the chemical.
Species, I got that.
Okay, I know, but I'm trying to make sure you understand what it is.
Oh, yeah, I know.
All right. So, Jason, you can't just assume you have to multiply. You have to set it up to figure out whether you're multiplying or dividing. Okay? Okay? And almost back to your question about what you're going to use it for, you may not need to know Avogadro's number, but you do have to know how to convert in almost anything. Yes? Mm-hmm.
Okay, so is that an answer?
Yep. Did you get it?
Oh, okay. I'm saying it's 10. Okay, I thought it was 20.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really understand. Like, I think my calculator's just going insane.
No, that's right. Oh. You must have put in times 10 twice or something. That's probably it. So let's see here. Here's your double E button. I'm going to do it this way. Double E, 23.
Oh.
That's just an easier way to do it. Then I'm going to multiply it times 10. And I get that same number I just gave you.
Okay.
Okay?
See, I put 10E and then 23 because I didn't know that E.
Yeah, so you were actually, okay, I got you. I understand. All right, any other questions about that? You got to know how to talk to your calculator.